Yes. What happened? Come here. You were doing mischief. What happened?
When you went outside, they came and they both came. Then Charvi said to them that you can do your
Work. Charvi, what happened?
Sir, when they came, sir, I said to them that start practicing your 20 plus idioms. So they started practicing, but after some time they started doing mischief, and Romika told me that they started doing.
Is it true? What happened? Come here. What happened? Tell the whole story.
First of all, we came
Huh.
out and she said that started speaking that idiom.
Huh.
First of all, she said that have you learned properly? Then I asked to her, first of all, tell me that have you learned? Then she told everything. Then we went over here. Then we both started practicing. After them, she said that come. We were over there, and she said that come here. Then we came here. Then we started speaking. Then I was speaking loudly. Then this bhaiya said that.
Which bhaiya? Pradyuman bhaiya?
Yeah, Pradyuman bhaiya said that you are shouting. Speak slowly.
Abhi some time back, when I came, you were blaming her. What happened?
So first I started listening to her. Then she started speaking like this. That she was like speaking like this
In a bizarre manner.
bizarre manner. Then I said to her speak properly. Then she started shouting, "No, I will speak like this only."
Huh? You were shouting?
Sir,
She is saying na.
she was saying that speak, and she was standing here and she was saying back, and I was speaking. Then I was asking to her, means she was asking to me. Then she was not asking to me question. Then she was saying speak up. Then I was saying to her that the question. Then she told the answer.
She is blaming you.
No, sir, she was shouting. She started laughing also then. Sir, she was making me laugh. Why are you doing like this?
Why were you making her laugh?
No, sir, I only said, why are you doing like this? Like, why are you speaking like this? Don't speak like this. Then she started laughing. And sir, deliberately, like she was acting for making me laugh. No, sir, I was not making her laugh.
It means you are accused. You have done something wrong. That's why she is blaming you.
But sir, when we was standing, then she was like, when I was saying that first of all listen to me and speak up, then she was saying doing like this, like this, like this. That's why. Then I was laughing.
You were making face?
No, sir. I went to Charvi also. Then Charvi said to speak properly. Then I said to her that she.
Come here. Huh.
She is only not asking properly.
Who is speaking truth? I'm not able to decide. I won't be able to do justice because both are playing blame games to each other.
Sir, Sugori is saying truth because Yashvi, I also saw that Yashvi was only making faces and she was only making a laugh. She was only laughing, but right now Sugori is saying truth.
She is blaming you.
No, sir. She is her friend, that's why she only says about her.
Again, now she is,
No, sir.
putting allegations direct,
No, sir.
clear allegations that you are her friend. You both are friends. That's why you are.
No,
You are.
sir, I am saying she's not her friend, but.
Abhi, you just said na. It is being recorded also.
Sir, I am saying truth that she was only making faces, and I have said to them.
What happened, Faguni, when I went?
Sir, Charvi was also roaming here and there.
Sir, I was not roaming.
My goodness.
No, sir, I was not roaming. I went.
उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. Pot is calling the kettle black. Pot is calling the kettle black. What happened?
But sir, they were again calling to Charlie. That's why he's coming again.
Because she was doing mischief, that's why I was calling to her.
Pradyum, what was happening?
But sometimes she also is liking irritated. When I am speaking and when I am said to him, just a minute, I want to take a break. Then she said, speak. I think she is not.
Achha, what happened?
Sir,
What were you doing?
Charvi
You come here.
always boss around.
You keep on bossing around.
No, sir, they were like.
You are monitor doesn't mean you boss around.
No, sir, sometime, like one time, they both also called me. That's they said me that they both are calling you. Then I went to them, and again I was going to them only because they were only calling me.
Is she speaking truth?
Yes, sir.
What were you doing in my absence?
Didi told me.
Huh.
Didi told me you said to Sugar Didi, you said to Yashvi Didi, but he is doing mischief again and
Again and again.
yes, sir.
So you didn't say don't do mischief.
Sir said that's why she is
She didn't listen to you.
she didn't listen to me.
Oh my goodness. What should I do? What should I do, guys? ओके सो गाइज आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों की छोटी सी आपस में कंप्लेंट्स थी और ये माहौल है यहाँ पे एवरीबडी इज स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश ये छोटी सी लिटिल गर्ल है व्हाट्स योर नेम रोमिका देखिए हर कोई एवरीबडी इज स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश ओनली डू नॉट डू ओके डोंट रिपीट इट अगेन ओके बाय बाय